My name's Morgan. If you don't know me, this is the first time I'm like really sitting down and filming a proper video for this YouTube channel other than like a vlog. So hi, my name's Morgan. I do tarot and witchy related content here on YouTube and on Twitch. And today we're gonna unbox the Witch Baby spring spell box, and I'm so excited to do this. I did this on my other channel, and I kind of I moved all of my tarot and witchy related content to this YouTube channel. Those of you who know me as the Treasure Trove, I did these before on my main channel, the Treasure Trove, for a while, and I'm so excited to do this. Witch Baby is one of my favorite like occult bath and like one of my favorite occult brands in general, and they have this quarterly spell box where they curate bath bombs for each season, each full moon of each season. So if you're someone who in your practice does like ritual baths and stuff like that, they take care of that for you. They put all the planning, the hard work, and the spell crafting into each bath bomb for each full moon. And then on top of that, you get a preview of the new upcoming collection, usually with like some samples, and then you get like a whole overarching theme of the box. And this spring one will be the last one before I've gotten these for an entire year, so this is my very first spring one. And let me tell you, like, spring products are normally my favorite. I love spring. I love their spring themed products, so I'm very excited to open this. So we're gonna crack right into it. So like I said, you get the 3 full moon bath bombs that correspond to each full moon of the season, quarterly being, so we'll have full moon in Virgo, full moon in Libra, and full moon in Scorpio in this box. The full moon in Virgo has passed, so I'm gonna have to use that one late. Each spell box also comes with a little zine, and you can't get this one now, but I'll tell you, you can order the summer one now, and it's totally, I mean, I'll let the box speak for yourself, but I'll put the link somewhere so you can check out the summer spell box if you'd like to sign up for that. So the zine kind of tells you the theme of each box. It goes through each full moon, giving you like a little rundown of things to do on each full moon. I don't like to show everything that's in the zine because I feel like that's part of the beauty of getting these boxes, so I don't want to give it all away. But the theme of this box seems to be flower power, and I can tell that this before I even opened it, I could smell it. It was very, very potent. I am very, very excited for this box in particular. The new Persephone collection launched, so I will also link that when we go over the samples of the Persephone collection. So let's crack into this. I'm gonna try to pull out the bath bombs first so we can go over each one. So we have the full moon in Virgo, the full moon in Libra, and the full moon in Scorpio. So I'm going to go over each of these and give you an idea of what they smell like and just how much work goes into this. So it says this bath bomb, the Virgo full moon bath bomb has pomegranate for helping through transitions and possibilities, and mossstone agate inside. Love that. Love that, love that. There's so much extra little touches that go into all these too. And then we got the Libra full moon, which is on April 6th. Under this Venetian full moon, it's time to become your own biggest fan. Love that. Okay, this has a blend of vanilla, sweet pea, and loving rose quartz inside, as well as a blend of cherry, apple, and catnip. Love that. It smells so good. I can't wait to, oh my god, I can't wait to bathe in that one. And then we got the full moon in Scorpio, which is under an eclipse, the full moon eclipse. Okay, so this one has fragrances of cord cutting hyssop, and funerary violet, create an aura of liberation, hops flowers, demonia, and dragon's blood. That's so Scorpio. So Scorpio. So like, that's what I mean. Each bath bomb is curated with special herbs that correspond to each full moon, and I just think that like, for as much as I love making my own baths, who says you can't add to these baths, right? You can absolutely add more to it, but it's all like compact into this, and I honestly would pay for these boxes even if I just got those 3 because I think that's awesome. So let's see what else we got in here. Middle of nowhere scrub from the new Persephone collection. So the middle of nowhere is described as land reclaimed by nature, creeping vines, overgrown trees, and wild ferns. And oh my god, that smells amazing. And their scrubs, I'm gonna tell you right up, their scrubs are my favorite scrubs in existence. If I could only pick one bath product to use for the rest of my life that was like extra on top of like soap, it would probably be the Hexbreaker scrub. No joke. I love it so much. And then, okay, what else we got? We have Dark Paradise body oil sample, which I also love their body oils. I probably have nothing negative to say. So Dark Paradise is a romantic blend of funeral florals, night air, and Chardonnay shared with a lover. It has to be inspired by Dark Paradise by Lana Del Rey. That smells amazing. Okay, I'm gonna have a hard time not buying every single thing from the spring collection. I see is the Flower Nymph soap. So this is just a little sample. Get lost in fields of flowers with this fragrant blend of pansies, dahlias, and a unique bouquet of springtime flowers, wrapped in airy notes of cool springtime air. I can smell I can smell it. The complexities of Witch Baby scents just like are out of this world. You can really smell each layer that is on the description. So then every box also comes with a full-size soap. Sometimes they're tarot cards, sometimes they're other things. And this month we have a 6 of Cups soap, which, look at that. That is so sweet, so cute. I love the tarot soaps. I just went through the 10 of Cups soap from the summer box. So 6 of Cups is perfect for springtime, captures childhood innocence and nostalgia. Then we get the extra little bonus items that correspond to the theme of the box. And look at this. Look at this. This is a huge ass jar of ritual salts with hibiscus, globe flower, and life everlasting flower. I'm assuming this is like spring, you know, spring is associated with rebirth. So this is like kind of like a rebirth bath, like coming into your own power and feeling reborn, because we also have a whole ass Rose of Jericho just plopped in here. Rose of Jericho I work with in my practice every single day. I have one on my downstairs altar, so now it looks like I'll have one on my upstairs altar. They are perfect for symbolizing any rebirth. So if you've been through a lot like this winter, you really went into hibernation mode and you want to come out of it and feel reborn and have some emotional support and healing flow through your life easier, Rose of Jericho is perfect to work with that. Keeping her submerged in a bowl of water help protect you from any negative vibes passing your way, passing through your house. And it's just like letting her close up and open again is a huge symbol, like symbolism for rebirth. And especially she is like your best friend when it comes to having some emotional support if you're going through a really difficult time, and just can symbolize stepping back into your power. I highly recommend working with one, and the fact that I have another beautiful one here, I cannot wait to use this. Overall, this box is just like a 10 out of 10 as always. Like I am never ever disappointed with anything that comes in this box. It is $45 per quarter per season. If you sign up for auto pay, it's a $50 purchase one time if you're looking to buy it just once to try it out. But like I said, if you added up like 3 bath bombs plus shipping, it's close to that much already. And then you get all of this extra stuff. Like I highly, highly recommend. I'm not sponsored by them in any way. I just like really love it. And I think it's really nice. Everything is just, there's so much thought and love and care put into all of this. And I cannot stress enough how beautiful all the products are. Spring is the spring products. I love florals. I'm an old lady grandma. I'm just so excited. If I do put in an order for the spring collection, I will definitely unbox that as well and show you, because we did not get a sample of the Persephone soap and I kind of want to get that because I just kind of want to get it. So please like this video Let me know in the comments what other kind of witchy content that you want to see, like maybe some other products that I use in my daily life, like beauty products, because I do a lot of glamour magic, what I incorporate into my daily routine. Please let me know what kind of content you want to see on this channel, and I hope you really enjoyed this one. Thank you so much.